This is the Foruee portable tankless gas water heater. It's a portable water heater that can be used either set up at a home place permanently, or it can be set up on the go if you're camping or something. Inside the box, you will find, I will open it. This is how it will be packaged. And it comes with a certification from the manufacturer. They test each one before they ship it, so there can be some slight discoloration from the burners being used. Inside you have the water heater itself. You have a box of accessories right here, which includes the hose for connecting to the gas line, as well as the shower hose, the actual shower handle inside of here, right there, a mounting holder for the shower handle, along with plumbing tape for the seals, some various adapters for the gas lines, and some tools for setup. It's also good to have pliers and scissors, and pliers and screwdriver for the setup. Once you get out of the box, good thing to do is just kind of find a place if you're going to set it up temporarily, which is what I'll do for this demonstration. Have a place that you can hang it temporarily. And it comes with an adapter for connecting a garden hose directly to the cold water line. I will go ahead and do that in one moment. And you're going to want to get that on there tightly. Put the other washer in, and then you can connect that to the blue cold water inlet right there. Such as that, hooking that up there. So again, once you have the cold water hooked up to it and you hook up your hose line, this is going to be where your hot water is going to come out, or your actual shower. Just get that a nice good finger tight. You can tighten it down afterwards. And then you also want to hook your gas line up again to this valve here. Again, you do not need to put any sort of tape on there, but it is a good idea once you have everything on, put a nice little tightening, make sure that it's secure. All of those are tight. You can hook the gas line right up to your gas tank, your propane tank. And a good idea to kind of move your propane tank out of the way of where the water is going to flow, just for rust and such. And again, this wouldn't be a problem if you're fixing things permanently, but you have to be a little mindful of the way your setup is hanging. So you want to tighten your propane on all the way. And you can turn the gas line on by opening the valve. You can check your valve here. Don't hear any noise, so that's a good indication. Now you're going to want to go ahead and put your two D-cell batteries in here, going negative towards the springs, positive at the top, and same there. If you've done it correctly, then you should get a read here. Oh no, that's right, that was only once you turn the water flow on. So you also want to get your shower head put on. Take the shower head like so. This is a high pressure one, so you don't have to have as much water pressure. And has a stop and a flow button on it, so we'll go ahead and put it on stop. When you're setting it up temporarily, all you're hooking it to is a garden hose, so you don't have any control. Once you've hooked it up to the hose, you're going to adjust your flow only from where you're turning on your water. So you turn your water on, that should fire up the water heater. You could hear that coming. Temperature starts to rise. You can open up the flow here, and you can adjust your water flow here, get more or less water, and you can adjust your temperature right here, more or less gas, to get a higher temperature. And there you go. You just want to hook up your shower where you want to go, and your nice hot shower. If you're a little bit more knowledgeable, you can actually set up your system permanently installed, as I mentioned. In order to do that, you'll have to either contact a plumber or do it yourself. But we can use these quick, easy shark bite connectors with copper and run them in. And I just connected this to just a household line coming up back behind there, and some old valves that thought would look nice on this, and then upgraded the color of the shower head. But really simple install. Used a big tank to maximize that, and we'll eventually enclose this whole area. Go ahead and turn the water on. Fires up the heater, and temperature starts to rise. 84, 86, 88, 90. Just keeps on going up, and you've got endless on-demand hot water.